My name is Jose Fernando, and I'm going to talk to you about the Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a carbonated soft drink sold in restaurants, stores, and vending machines in more than 200 countries. It is produced by the Coca-Cola Company of Atlanta, Georgia, and is often referred to simply as Coke. Originally intended as a pain medicine, when it was invented in the late 19th century by John Pemberton. Coca-Cola was bought out by a businessman named Asa Gris Candler, whose marketing tactics led Coke to its dominance of the world soft drink market throughout the 20th century. Clear that the name Coca-Cola was belonged to Charlie, but the other two manufacturers could continue to use the formula. So, in the summer of 1888, Candler sold his beverage under the names Yummy Yummy and Coke. After both failed to catch on, Candler set out establishing legal claim to Coca-Cola in the late 1888 in order to force his two competitors out of the business. Candler incorporated a second company, the Coca-Cola Company, and in 1910 Candler had the earliest record of the company born, underscoring its legal origins. By the time of its 20th anniversary, the drink had reached the status of a national icon in the USA, and in 1935 it was certified kosher by Rabbi Tobias Giffen, after the company made minor changes in the sourcing of some ingredients. Coca-Cola was fully imported for the first time in March 12, 1894. The first outdoor wall advertisement was painted in the same year as well in Castroville, Georgia. Cans of the Coca-Cola first appeared in 1955. The first bottle of Coca-Cola occurred in Vicksburg, Mississippi, at the Bingham Candy Company in 1891. Its proprietor was Joseph A. Bingham. The original bottles were Bingham bottles, but different from the much later oval skin design that is now so familiar. Asa Candler was tentative about bottling the drink, but two entrepreneurs from Chattanooga, Tennessee, Benjamin F. Thomas and Joseph B. Whitehead, proposed the idea and were so persuasive that Candler signed a contract giving them control of the procedure for only $1. Candler never collected his dollar, but in 1899, Chattanooga became the site of the first Coca-Cola bottling company. The loosely termed contract proved the problematic for the company, for disease to become legal. Matters were not helped by the decision of the bottlers to subcontract to other companies, effectively become parent bottles. About the manufacturing of Coca-Cola. In the first stage, concentrated mix with water and Coca-Cola and sugar, and add the carbon dioxide, which is the forming bubbles. Receipt of the materials. In the stores, receive the materials needed to complete the process of manufacture. The bottles are washed and the conveyor belt moved to the bottle, which is able to fill thousands of bottles per hour. After filling the bottles, they need a cap as soon as possible to prevent the escape of carbon dioxide. For that, they go to a machine called capping. The next step is to place the date, which is not an expiration date. It is a minimum durability. A laser printing is on the way, dates ranging between 4 and 12 months. Throughout the process, different controls are happening, are not all the same times the workers, but also different inspection automatic sensors capable of detecting and removing the process all those bottles that do not meet the requirement. In addition to control of packaging, an entire department is in charge of another control even more important, the quality of the bottled product. Once Once filled and sealed, this bottle just needs a label, which will differ depending on the product that you are packaging. The next step is to place the bottles in boxes previously washed. In the case of glass or lamination grouping, such a grouping, Afro-gaming machines are responsible for the product palletizing and grouped of transport more comfortable. And that's all for today. Thank you.